Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again. My name is Katie, and today we're going to go over our prepare tax return task. First thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. Then you're going to go ahead and go to Firm Templates and Tasks. Then you're going to want to scroll down until you find Prepare Tax Return. And here you can see everything that is involved in the Prepare Tax Return task. Here you can see the description, that it's assigned to the role of preparer. It starts in 0 days, which means it starts today. It's due in 7 days, and there's a subtask. We'll go over this in a little more detail as we assign the task. We're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now, this task can be assigned individually as a one-time task, or it can be part of your pipeline. So we're going to want to go ahead and click New and Task. Now we're going to go ahead and assign it to our test account, which is under my name. We want to go ahead and choose our templates. And here you can see again everything that is involved in this task. So here's again your description. It's letting you know exactly what would need to go on. And then your subtask is about uploading the return to the proper your subfolder. So we're going to go ahead and click Create. And here you can see that the task has been assigned to my test accounts, that I am the assignee, and beginning of the description. If we go ahead and click on this task, again, we will see all of the information that is involved in the task. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us in the community or at our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.